a trip to the zoo. Tom and Lucy go to the zoo on a sunny day. They are excited to see all the animals. First, they visit the elephants. The elephants are big and slow. Lucy says, "Look, that elephant is eating leaves." Tom takes a picture. Next, they walk to the lions. The lions are resting in the sun. Tom says, "Wow, they are so big." Lucy waves at one lion, but it doesn't move. After that, they visit the giraffes. The giraffes are very tall. Lucy says, "I want to touch one." Tom laughs and says, "Maybe next time." They also see the monkeys. The monkeys are jumping and swinging in the trees. Lucy says, "The monkeys are so funny." Tom agrees and takes more pictures. At the end of the day, Tom and Lucy are tired but happy. They buy ice cream and sit on a bench talking about their favorite animals. Lucy likes the monkeys and Tom likes the lions.